Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, assembling the device. We're clamping on the plexiglass. Now we are going to preheat the pan. You'll notice that Jacob is holding it over the plastic. If he sets it down too far, the eddy currents will be so strong they will stop the motor. We don't want to do that. So he's holding it about 1/8 of an inch above. We'll get up to 130 here in a second. There, 130 degrees Fahrenheit. That would be a hot asphalt. That'd be a hot sidewalk, wouldn't it? Couldn't walk on that. About 240. That should be hot enough to fry an egg. Let's see. Ooh, looky there. Oh, it's starting to fry. Look at that. You see it cooking around the edge? Yes. About 250 degrees. That's a hot skillet. And look at there. It is frying the egg. Are you going to try to flip it?
Go for it, I don't care.
He's going to try to flip the egg, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Oh, look down there. It got brown. It started to burn a little bit on the bottom.